Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I've been sent some polygel from Rosalind. Now they asked me if there's anything that I'd like to review on their website, and I really wanted to try the rainbow polygel kit, but it was out of stock. So they did say we can send you the individual colours, but it won't come in the box. And I don't keep the box anyway, so yeah, I said yeah, that'd be great, thank you. So they've sent me these, but I'm guessing they have run out of the red and the orange. So they've sent me these two instead, pink and opal, which I'm not mad at because I do like pink, and I haven't got an opal, which is, I'm guessing, is going to be like a milky white sort of colour. So yeah, I'm really pleased they sent me these. I think I'm just going to jump straight in and get swatching, guys. So I've got my dish with some isopropyl alcohol in. My brush is all cleaned, prepped, ready to go. So I'm going to start off first with the Rosalind Pink. Ooh, this is a nice natural pink. It's the sort of pink that you would use if you want to be able to see your nail bed underneath, but you want to give your nail bed a nice, healthy, natural pink glow. It's got a really nice, soft consistency as well, but it's not too soft that you can't work with it. It's really, really nice consistency. I like it. I really like it. Go, that's the pink. Next is the light purple. Again, this is quite a soft consistency. Very, very similar to the last colour actually. It's an absolutely gorgeous purple though. I've not got any polygel this colour. It's really, really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. So the best thing for me about polygel is that you can just work with it all day long and it's not going to cure until you put it in that lamp. So if you like me and you work so slow, polygel is ideal. So if this was acrylic now, this would be starting to set. And it's great for beginners. It's great for people who are wanting to actually learn acrylic. But I think this is probably the best way to start to learn acrylic, because this way you can get used to application, strength, structure, and you've got all the time in the world. Wow, I am just pleasantly surprised with how opaque these are. Okay, look at that. Gorgeous purple. Really pretty. Next up is blue. Oh wow, look at this blue. That is a gorgeous colour. A really pretty baby blue. I've got some really cool ideas in mind for this colour. Now I seem to think the blue out of the rainbow polygel kit is a different blue to this. I seem to think if it's more of a slightly darker blue. So I'll have to check that out and I'll let you know when I come to edit the video, guys, if it is different. I'm really impressed with how opaque these are. They're so opaque, and I'm doing super thin layers. You can see that is super thin. Love that. And we've got the green. I have put way too much on there, way too much. I'm finding this to be a lot softer than any of the other colours, and a little bit more jellified as well, not so opaque and creamy. I mean, green gel polish you always find is always a lot sheerer than most other colours, so it might just be that it is green. But it is a really nice shade of green, really pretty. Although it is more jellified, it's still covering really well. I am finding this one a little bit more stickier than the others, but as you can see, it's not too sticky that I can't work with it. I'm still finding it easy enough to work with. I'd be finding it a lot easier if I hadn't put so much on, obviously. I'm going to have to take some of that off because, yeah, there's too much on there. I don't know why I didn't just do that from the beginning. That would have made things so much easier. Instead of just faffing with it and faffing with it. Yeah, there we go. That's so much easier. I really like this green. It's really nice. Look at that. Look how bright it is. Now that is what I call a rainbow green. Then we've got yellow. Can you see what I mean, guys, when I say these are not creamy? They've got more of a jelly look to them rather than a creamy look. But yet they're still really opaque. I love this yellow. It's a proper sun yellow. Really pretty yellow. Again, I've got nothing like this. Love it. Really pretty. And I'm finding it so easy to work with. Look at that colour, guys. And look at the coverage as well. Ooh, I can't wait to do some designs with these. And then lastly, we've got Opal. I've not got a white like this, so I'm actually really pleased that they sent me this instead. I've got like bright whites, but I haven't got a milky white like this, and I've been wanting to do a set of milk bath nails, but I wanted to try it with polygel, and I've been wanting to do this for so long. I've just not got around to ordering like a milky white. So now I've got one. I can try that. I can't say I've seen anyone do milk bath nails with polygel. I'm sure there has been, but yeah, I can't say I've seen it, so I just wanted to give it a try. See if it has the same effect, you know. Just keep your eyes peeled for that one, guys. There we go. That is gorgeous. Really like that. Really nice milky white. Right guys, I've just removed the tacky layer from that. I just want to show you how nice and easy Polygel is to file. So I've got an old file here. This is the 180 side, but like I say, it's old. It's more like a buffer than it is a file, to be honest. I just want to show you how nice and easy this is to file. Can you see how it's a little bit bulky at the end here? There we go. Perfect. So I'm just going to run that over all of them very quickly, just so they're nice and smooth, and then I'm going to top coat them, and then we'll come back and take a look at them in a minute. So there we are guys, that is them all swatched. They've all had a shiny top coat over the top. If you can see this one here guys, the purple one, can you see the white bits? That is where I have had too much isopropyl alcohol on my brush and I've not drained it enough. You will find some polygels will leave white patches, and 9 times out of 10 it is because there's too much alcohol or slip solution on your brush. Also some polygels, they don't like a certain slip solution, so it could also be that as well. But I used isopropyl alcohol, so it's definitely me not draining my brush enough on that one. But they're really, really nice to use, guys. Really nice. They're soft, but not too soft. They're a really nice consistency. And I love this one here. Love that opal colour. It is white, but it is definitely a milky white, which is exactly what I've been looking for. Like I said earlier, I want to try doing milk bath nails with polygel, so this is going to be ideal for me to do that. So keep your eyes peeled for that video, guys. As always, I shall leave the link to these in my description box below, so if you want to head over and check them out, you can do. Also, you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen that there's a discount code there, so don't forget to put that in at the checkout. That way you'll save yourself 15% off. Also, Rosalind have got a whole month of flash sales on their website, guys, so make sure you take advantage of that too. I want to say a massive, massive thank you to Rosalind for sending me these to try. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.